In this video, I will show you how to use oscilloscope in multisim to display voltage across different components. Drag and drop an oscilloscope to the workspace and then connect ground to both channels A and B. To display the input voltage, I will connect channel A to the source, and to display the voltage across capacitor, I will connect channel B to the capacitor. If I double click the oscilloscope, I will get two voltages. I can adjust the time per division. Now both voltages are in red. To adjust the color of the output voltage, all I need to do is to right click one of the probes and change the color segment. The blue color is not clear. I reverse the background color and make it white. Now both waveforms are clear. There are two cursors. You can move any of them and check the value at any time. Now let's adjust the time per division so we can measure the phase shift between these two waveforms. To measure the phase shift between these two waveforms, I will move one of the cursors to the beginning of the input voltage by selecting the cursor and adjust the Y value to 0, and then change the channel to channel B so we can move the cursor on the other waveform and do the same thing, set the Y value to 0. Now our objective is to measure the delay between these two waveforms, I mean the time difference between these two waves. Now I can use delta T to measure the phase shift between these two different voltages. The phase shift is equal to delta T over the period of the signal, capital T, multiplied by 360 degrees. If we rewrite this formula, we got the phase shift is equal to the frequency multiplied by delta T multiplied by 360 degrees. Delta T we got it from the oscilloscope, and the frequency is given in our circuit.